Welcome back, guys, to another daily trade recap. So, I will be explaining and walking you guys through markets by market analysis for Tuesday, the 10th of March 2026. Now, I didn't take a trade because the price action was looking choppy. It wasn't really clear to me. So, I decided to sit it out and wait for the next day, being Wednesday. But no matter the circumstance, I will still try to make a video explaining what happened for the day. So at the beginning of the day, the price was still looking rangy. It wasn't really doing any okay. But before we continue, sorry, I don't know why I always forget this time. Let me set my time zone back to BTC +1 and then look for my 9 AM candle. So yeah, this is it. So continuing the price, it's started with a downtrend, and I was expecting it to continue. The break happened at 211.823, with the high being this one at 211.071. So right now, this was what happened. I was still expecting price to be bearish because at this point, I didn't read this as a break of structure because it seemed too close and like it was just a bullish candle followed by a bearish candle. So I wasn't sure if I could just carry this whole leg here as this whole move as one trend, or if I would stop here and then like make this one a new leg. So I opted to leave it out because if you continue playing price, you see that this level at 211.83 got broken. Yeah, it got broken. So this was what confused me. This was what confused me. If this leg was supposed to hold, then that means we are definitely going to be in a bullish trend, as this was a change of character. But I wasn't really sure because this could easily just be a minor retracement, and then you say, okay, let's take this leg at this level at 211.601 to be a new low that was to be taken out for the continuation of the downtrend. So at this point, I was really confused whether I would just make this still a downward trend, even as this was moving up, or count this as a break of structure, and then this would have to be the change of character, moving it to the upside. So that was what happened, and I decided to just leave it out. Now, if I was to take a trade here, I would have like expected price to break either one of this level at 212.067 or this one at 211.6. If it had broken the higher level, I would have been looking for buys straight up. If it had broken the lower one, I'd continue looking for sell. But at this point, it was just ranging in between this, and I didn't want to risk my capital on this either being a minor retracement or, as you can see now, either being a minor retracement or an actual break of structure. Now, as you can see, it just kept on breaking structure. This is the 211.952 level. So, like, to me, it was just a risk I was not willing to take. So let's just continue playing price till it gets to the 9 AM candle. Yeah, as you can see, it's continued buying up until it's reached that level. Sorry. What's this? Up until you reach that level, and then nothing happened again. So at this point now, what I would have done would be, okay, let's take this as a liquidity grab, and then I want to continue selling. Or we don't take this as a break of structure and I still continue selling, because there was a particular day that this thing happened where it was so low and then price got to the extreme, and then I decided to buy because of it was making higher highs and higher lows. I can't remember the day, but I know something like this happened. So I took a buy thinking it would respect this internal structure and just break it as it had already reached the end. But it's, lo and behold, it sold. So I hit my stop loss on that trade. Now on this one, it looks exactly like it, and I was like, okay, since this is what is happening, the overall trend to me is no longer clear due to this stuff. So I just decided to stay away, honestly. But if I was to take a trade, I would have taken a sell. But anyway, let's set our quarter point levels to see what happens. So setting this at, the first one is at 211.0 level. The second one, it will be at 211.25. Okay, yeah, 211.25 level. Then the next one, 211.75 level. Okay, so that is it. Now moving into going down to the 1 minute time frame, and then, like I said, I was supposed to take a sell, but I decided to stay away. So let's see what price would have done if I had actually taken that sell. Although I wasn't really bothered if it had hit TP or if it had hit a loss, I wouldn't have been moved because I stuck to my rule of not entering on a low probability. So this was what my plan was. And then came. This was what happened on the 3 minutes time frame. Let me move this down to the 1 minute first. Okay, as you can see, it started with a break entering into this trade. And then this level, for it to come down, it would have to break this level, which it did. The level at 211.0. So expecting this high to hold, it didn't hold at 211.16, meaning, okay, it's looking like it will just continue the trend. So that was how it ended up going straight to my assumed stop loss if I had entered this trade. But my happiness is that I stayed away, because I don't know, this market can be very unpredictable at times. It just does things anyhow. I don't know if it's becoming manipulated or not, but some trades, you see the exact setup on some days. Sometimes it will follow a particular pattern, other times it won't. So the whole lesson I learned was that I should continue only trading on high probability days, and I was happy that I ended up staying away from this market. So guys, as usual, I will be asking you guys to like this video, subscribe, comment, share, turn on the notification button. This is my YouTube channel, or you guys already know. So just watch as many videos as you can. I'll try to be consistently dropping daily videos. And I made a post on my X that I was not taking any trade because of the conflicting buy and sell, especially due to this break of structure here. That was what just threw me off. Then I later made a post that the buyers won, so congratulations everyone. So like, just follow me on X, subscribe, turn on the notification button, and then share, comments, like the videos. So thank you guys, and can't wait to see you again tomorrow. Goodbye.